Hey guys, it's Paul. I thought I'd do a little unboxing today because I got something really cool that I kind of want to show. So let's get into it. So this site is called Displate. What's really cool is it's wall art, but they're made on these cool metallic boards that you just put these magnets up on your wall and you just stick it up and it just sticks to your wall. No nails or screws or anything like that. So I'm excited. They have some really cool designs. There's even a way to send in your own. It's really cool. So I found one that I like and some stuff for some presents for some people. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is the box that they come in. Really cool. Like the art just on the box is unique, really fun. Let's open this guy up. So let's see. There it is. Not going into vertical mode for this. I'll spare you all from that. Oh, there it is. Ooh, that's cool. Very cool, very cool. Alright, and we got, oh my gosh, it's so cool. Yes, oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, it's definitely metal. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Let me take this plastic off. Let's look at the back here first. Display yourself. You and your actions matter. High quality product. So these are the little magnets, little magnet pads that you stick to your wall, and the plate just magnetically stays up. It's pretty cool. Ooh. Now we get a better look at that. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love the detail. It looks so cool. Just like, oh, I love it. It's so cool. The amount of work that must have gone into this. Oh, that's mine. I've got more in here, but I don't know if you guys are going to see this, because these are kind of a surprise. It's a little bit, but I'll at least capture this. Oh, 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 that's cool. That's so cool. Oh, so cool. Oh. so cool. Dang, I almost wish I'd gotten this for myself. It's so cool. Got some instructions here on how to hang it up. That's cool. So, yeah, that's my haul today. I'm so excited. Like, maybe I don't sound like it, but this is really cool. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.